CNC machining of titanium alloy is a high-strength material, lightweight, and corrosion-resistant metal, widely used in aviation, aerospace, medical, sports, and other fields. Today we are honored to present to everyone. Introduce our CNC machining titanium alloy service. Firstly, our titanium alloy CNC machining. Adopting the most advanced CNC machining technology, capable of achieving high-precision surface quality and precise size control. Secondly, we have rich processing experience, can provide customers with professional titanium alloy processing solutions, meeting the diverse needs of customers. In addition, we also provide meticulous surface treatment services, such as spraying black mat, etc., make our titanium alloy products more competitive. As a CNC source manufacturer, we always maintain a high level of attention to quality and customer needs. The titanium alloy material we use, the quality has undergone strict testing and certification. At the same time, our processing flow also meets international first-class standards.